Hello, welcome to Easy English. So today I wanted to play the game Liar, so I've enlisted the help from my sister Ellie. Hello Ellie.
Hi.
Ellie, how confident do you feel about beating me?
Yeah, I'm feeling super confident.
Very good. Let's go. So we're going to play the game Liar. And the way Liar works is Easy, who's behind the camera. Hello Easy.
Hello.
She has created some subject matters all to do with British or English life, whether it be British animals, let's say. And then she'll say animals, and then myself and Ellie will take it in turns to say how many animals we can name within 30 seconds. And if I say I can name 4 animals, yeah, Ellie's option is either to say 5 or more and try to overdo my score, or to call me out and call me a liar, and then I must therefore name 4 animals in 30 seconds. Got it?
Makes sense.
Good. Let's go.
Very good. Round 1. How many English actors can you name?
5.
6.
I really feel confident. 7.
Liar.
How many did I say? 7?
7.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Go.
Okay. Rupert Grint. Daniel Radcliffe. Daniel Day-Lewis. Where'd that come from? Emma Watson. Keira Knightley. Michael Caine. It hurts. And I can't think of anyone. It's hard when the timer starts.
God, I hope there's not many film things.
I went
That's
Harry Potter and then went completely off road.
It's Ellie's go, and we stay within the topic English films.
As in films set in England? Or
Good question. Yeah, let's do set in England.
set in England? Okay.
Okay. I will go for 5.
6.
No. I will call you a liar.
No, I didn't want you to do that. Okay,
I can't
Okay.
name 7.
ready?
And start.
Love Actually. Bridget Jones's Diary. Mr. Bean isn't in.
Mr. Big Holiday.
4 Weddings and a Funeral. What film's set in London?
Or anywhere in
Stuart
England.
Little set in London?
Idea where Stuart Little's.
Phantom Thread. We watched it on BBC recently.
Done.
No.
So my original
so
plan was to be
quick.
like Harry Potter Philosopher's
No,
Stone.
you can't do that.
Notting Hill.
Notting Hill, that's what I was trying to think of. Okay, so it's 2-0 to you, I think, so far. Through
Yeah.
my
I'm just calling you out every time.
stupidity.
Okay, we go into geography.
Back to you.
How many English counties can you name?
5.
6.
7.
8.
Liar.
Oh dear. Do we have someone who will be able to tell if mine are right or wrong?
I don't know.
And go.
Hampshire, Wiltshire, Dorset, London, well, Greater London, Greater Manchester. How many did I say? 8. Need 3 more. Surrey, is that one?
Yeah.
Warwickshire, Leicestershire.
Oh, no. Did it?
Yep.
No.
Very good.
3-0. You would have won already.
Okay. The next one is English bands.
Oh no. Okay, I can name 5 English bands.
7.
Okay, I can name 8 English bands.
In 30 seconds.
Yeah, I just did 8 counties. I feel like.
9.
Confident.
Okay, liar.
Okay, ready?
Okay, and go.
Okay, Royal Blood, The Cure, Arctic Monkeys, Oasis, Blur, Depeche Mode, Motorhead, Thin Lizzy. Thin Lizzy doesn't count. I don't think they count. Deep Purple.
Yeah,
Yeah?
done.
Have I done it?
Yeah.
Of how much time?
22.
Wow.
And that would have been really embarrassing for me because I would have been like, girls allowed.
One Direction.
Yeah.
Beatles, Rolling Stones.
I didn't. Oh yeah, I was getting to that.
Yeah, I think you can do a lot, but it's just the 30 seconds, isn't it?
Yeah, the pressure.
Yeah, it's pressure.
Did you know if you're an English learner or an English teacher, then you can get downloadable material for all of our videos to help you learn or teach English by becoming an Easy English member with our Patreon. For just €5 a month, you can get a transcript, a vocabulary list, a worksheet, and video and audio downloads of this and all our previous episodes to help you learn English. A great way to learn English with Easy English is to use our transcript and vocabulary list to work your way along the episode with the transcript and then pick up on the more extensive vocabulary used in the vocab sheets. So if you're interested in supporting Easy English, then you can become a member at patreon.com/Easy English videos for just €5 a month. Now back to the episode.
English football team.
I knew she was going to say that. You'll go for it.
Yeah. I think I can do, straight off the bat, 7.
8.
9.
10. 10.
11.
I think you can do 11, that's a problem.
But can you do 12?
I can try 12. Can you do 13?
Yeah, I can do 13.
I can't do 14.
13.
Okay, yeah, ready?
Go.
Arsenal, Aston Villa, Burnley, Brighton, Chelsea, Cardiff, Fulham, Hull, Liverpool, Leicester, Man City, Manchester United, Norwich.
You're done. 21
Yeah.
seconds.
Come on.
Very good.
That was absolutely my subject.
I actually think I could have done that.
Yeah, you just
but-
named like cities,
Yeah,
basically.
but I just knew that you could keep on going. That was a problem.
Okay, the next one. Typical English dishes.
Ooh, that's good. That's hard, that as well.
Do I start?
And it cannot just be fried eggs. It has to have a proper name.
Oh yeah, okay.
Kind of like a proper meal. Proper meal name.
That is hard, that. Okay.
I can name 4.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
It's a very low amount. 5.
Can I name 6?
Thinking of the dishes right now as we speak.
Yeah. How many did you say?
5.
5.
So much confidence in the football one.
Yeah.
Out.
Liar, because I can't.
No! I didn't want you to say that. I have not really thought.
5.
Yeah, 5.
Okay, go.
Okay, full English breakfast.
Yeah.
Roast dinner, can that count?
Yeah, that counts.
Shepherd's pie. Toad in the hole.
Oh.
Beef Wellington. Yeah?
I don't know if that's a typical English dish.
Yeah, you already have 5.
Yeah.
Is that
it's fine.
okay? We count beef Wellington.
Come on,
Okay.
give us another one.
Another one can be
I was gonna say can I have
crumpets.
Well, like, is it like a chicken tikka masala? Properly English.
Oh yeah.
I was gonna say
I
that,
didn't think about that.
but I didn't think of like shepherd's pie and all of that.
Chicken tikka. That's really good.
What is the one from, is that shepherd's pie from the north that you don't like?
Oh,
and you
corned
make-
beef hash.
Corned beef
corned beef
hash. Yeah.
So the next one is English TV shows.
This is gonna be the deciding round.
So it can be anything on English TV, which is like a reoccurring
Go
show.
for it.
Okay. I'm gonna go for 5.
I'll go 6.
7.
8.
Liar.
Okay, so it could be game shows, anything like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
8, yeah?
Yeah.
Go.
EastEnders, Coronation Street, Emmerdale, X Factor, Britain's Got Talent, game shows, The Chase,
Oh, hang on.
Golden Balls,
Struggling.
Deal or No Deal.
No.
8.
Bloody hell.
Didn't even mention Grand Design, my favourite.
Grand design.
Ellie wins.
Ellie wins.
Woo!
Well done, Ellie. Thanks for watching this week's episode. Ellie, congratulations. Are you a happy winner?
Yeah, I know I'd be super confident. I know I'd win.
And if you're looking to learn English with Easy English, then you can become a Patreon member with the link up here. Thanks for watching this week, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you very much, Ellie. So today I wanted to play the game Liar. So I say that English with English topics. No, I won't.
Cool.
Okay, so what was it like working with Brad Pitt?